How to see first Instagram message without scrolling. Now, this specific feature is going to be depending on how long or how more often you're trying to pull up this feature from that specific chat box. You just simply access your Instagram account and then go ahead to your messages at the top right portion of your screen and then just simply pull out a specific message where you would like to see the first message on Instagram without scrolling. Now that option is usually located on these spaces right here at the top right portion. It is usually be shown as arrow pointing up. Now if you press on that, it will automatically go to the top or to the very first message of this conversation. But if you are or if you have like maybe a long conversation with a specific person, that option is not going to be visible if you have super long conversation with the person that you would like to just instantly tap to the very first top of the message. And that's it. That's how you see first Instagram message without scrolling.